4.3-inch large-screen LCD display, 5-digit resistance readings, 6-digit DC voltage reading. Battery internal resistance and voltage can be displayed at the same time, using high-performance microprocessor control. Realize fully automatic real-time detection. No instrument interaction experience. High precision, high resolution, ultra-high measurement. The instrument is used for battery internal resistance test. Includes battery module inspection, battery research and development measurement, high voltage battery pack inspection, lithium battery lead-acid battery, high-speed mass production line inspections such as batten batteries. Main function buttons on the front and rear panels of UT3563. Product accessories: Kelvin test line, chrome probe test rod, instrument reset. Before clearing the measurement, you need to insert the plug as shown in the video. Stack the test clamp tips of the Kelvin test line crosswise. Start to clear and follow the video steps. Chrome probe test rod reset. Place the chrome probe test lead as shown in the video. Bring the center probe into contact with the center probe point, sense and sense. The peripheral probe is in contact with the peripheral probe point, source and source. Test supercapacitor. Test 18650 battery. Lithium battery test. Testing the battery of an electric moped. Upper and lower limit alarm function. Specific voltage and resistance upper and lower limit alarms. Alarms have sound and high and low display respectively. Data recording function. It can record the change of voltage and resistance over a period of time, which is helpful to observe. Statistical functions. Data recording and statistical functions. Able to perform operations on 10,000 sets of data. Suitable for process management and quality management. VR display. Automatic and manual range switching mode. Automatic. Manual. The range can be changed manually here. Can increase 330, 300, 3000 ohm. Speed adjustment. Speed mode: slow, medium, fast, high speed. File management function. File management, shutdown files are not lost.